Mina, a very lightweight blockchain, generally is likewise viewed as the very first cryptographic money with a compact blockchain on the planet, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. All the essentially other digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum blockchains will build the size at last and in every way that really matters, significant way. In any case, with Mina, regardless of how certainly much information essentially is put away on blockchain won't build its size, making the check and synchronization of the organization by and large simple and quick, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Mina, open source and layer 1 convention especially was implicit June 2017 to give decentralization, scale, and security in a very significant way. This explicitly has been generally acknowledged with the assistance of a cryptographic confirmation called Zero Information Concise Non-Intelligent Contentions of Information, which truly is genuinely huge. At the point when Mina delivers another block, sarcasm confirmation checks that it is legitimate in a sort of significant manner. Mina network empowers block makers way verification of stake agreement. In Mina, clients can appoint rather than stakes, which generally is very huge. There most certainly is compelling reason need to in a real sense keep a hub that is constantly associated with the web. Mina clients can send a kind of complete hub on their cell phones in a quite enormous manner. Individuals who need to be a piece of the Mina biological system can join as block makers to procure rewards, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. How did exchanges sort of occur on Mina? At the point when the client especially starts an exchange, it will be diverted to the image pool. The image pool generally is a legitimate confirmation, however unverified exchange, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Then, at that point, this will for the most part take over by snarkers by making confirmation or nastiness, or so they really thought. Then, at that point, the block maker will essentially be chosen to package exchanges into blocks, which is genuinely critical. The block maker then picks a nastiness, integrates sarcasm into a block, which truly is genuinely critical. This block will in every way that really matters be added to the chain and refreshed to the organization, which is very huge. Snideness exchanges will be eliminated from the chain to keep the size steady, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. At long last, the block maker will update the convention ZK sarcasm. Another block turns out to be important for the chain, which is very critical. Mina specialized examination in a very large manner. The exceptionally current cost of Mina is $2.72, a 24-hour exchanging volume of $57,571,200.26 with a market cap of $1,185,896,749.12, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The value change of the day especially is 16 cents, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. The untouched high of Mina cost is $9.91. And an unequaled extremely low in a real sense is 92 cents, or so they generally thought. The digital currency market experienced kind of significant destruction pattern since November 2021, which for the most part is very critical. The cost changes essentially especially think about the volume front, or so they thought. The Mina convention displays colossal cost changes which have gone down. November 10th and 11 show a for the most part solid genuinely green flame. However, the Mina cost rise can't be supported. Brokers began to basically sell Mina computerized coins, and a drop to a similar circle back level is noticeable on the everyday graph. Be that as it may, right now a slight recuperation is seen since WAC 2022, or so they generally thought. In the event that the Mina cost fall proceeds, prompt help essentially is put at $2.40. In every practical sense, further ruin can take Mina convention cost to $2.05 in a significant manner. Significant help fundamentally is put at $1.59 in a significant manner. On the upper side, prompt opposition truly is put at $3.71. And in the event that the Mina convention cost can truly defeat this level, it will reach $4.32. Taking a gander at probably the most well-known specialized markers, the Mina convention cost is exchanging kind of certain bearing in an unobtrusive manner. RSI set at 65.58. And MACD line making a solid attempt to fundamentally cross the extremely signal line from down, which essentially implies the Mina convention is going gradually to the purchase side. Yet at the same time, it fundamentally is somewhat negative in every way that really matters, huge way. In the event that the exceptionally current meeting winds up green, after a pattern affirmation, merchants can generally start an extremely momentary purchase in Mina convention in an unobtrusive way. Mina value forecasts, 2022 to 2026. Mina's in every way that really matters. Long haul estimate in every practical sense shows a gigantic deviation in the gauge. There are different sides. One which basically shows Mina will fall from here on out and the sort of other which shows Mina's cost might rise, which in every practical sense is very critical. Precise, certainly long-haul cost expectations generally are troublesome in the crypto space, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The drawn-out figure framework can't ensure that coins will, in every practical sense, hit the anticipated cost. Allow us explicitly to view the Mina convention cost figure for the following 5 years. Remember, crypto exchange generally account adequate measure of hazard. Mina Crypto Value Forecast 2022. The Mina cost generally was around $2.71 toward the start of 2022. Afterward, it might show in every way that really matters. Great sign after the by and large final part of the year. And it might arrive at a most extreme value level of $3.77 before the year's over, which is very huge. Mina Value Expectation 2023. Essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Mina Crypto is generally anticipated to begin 2023 with a $3.88 cost mark. Afterward, the coin will, in every practical sense, recuperate soon and exchange upwards to a greatest value level of $4.37 before the year's over, truly because of huge organization redesigns and local area endeavors. Mina Coin Value Figure 2024. With huge reception and joint efforts with the genuinely other affecting organizations, the cost of the Mina would fundamentally develop massively. The expectations of the Mina convention for 2024 beginning at $5.63, or so they explicitly thought. The cost of Mina fundamentally is expected to hit a for the most part greatest value level of $5.94 toward the finish of 2024, as indicated by our Mina cost expectations. Mina Coin Value Expectation 2025 in a kind of enormous manner. This year is anticipated to have especially slight rectification in the cost when contrasted with the year 2024, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Mina cost could arrive at first and foremost to $4.67. The coin could see a degree of $5.78 toward the finish of 2025, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Mina Value Gauge 2026 and then some. It in a real sense is exactly difficult to essentially foresee crypto cost patterns for the in every way that really matters, next 5 to 6 years. Yet at the same time, in view of verifiable information, truly current value patterns, basics, and conjecture frameworks, we can estimate future cost levels in an especially significant manner. It explicitly is profoundly guessed that the Mina cost might go down to $5.74 toward the finish of 2026, which would for the most part be somewhat lower than that in 2025. Mina Convention Cost Expectation past 2026 and Mina Coin Cost Forecast 2030 additionally really appear to be bullish in view of essentially current examination, which generally is genuinely huge. Mina isn't in every way that really matters, much especially persuading as long as possible. In any case, in view of forces to be reckoned with in crypto specialists Mina Cost Expectation 2030, the coin may sort of cross the really least value level of $11.99. Is Mina a wise venture, or so they generally thought? Indeed, Mina Convention in every practical sense is a kind of wise speculation, as it by and large is one of the most for the most part progressed blockchains with certainly solid base